Yow, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Grizzly Naturals soap guides. Today, we're chilling with FROSTY'S Mint Mocha. This is a Christmas limited offered by Grizzly Naturals. It is a scent both sweet and minty, warm and cold. But should we trust this enticing beverage given to us by a strange snowman? Well, let's get into this jolly brick. We'll begin with the unique ingredients, the most notable of which are going to be our listed essential oils, peppermint, and benzoin. These improve the look and feel of skin, including elasticity and smoothness. Peppermint is the real star of the show here, as it contains menthol. Menthol is one of the niftiest ingredients out there, as it provides that soothing, chilling sensation. The cooling effect leaves skin relieved and feeling cleansed. We also have cocoa and espresso grounds, which give our bar a nice light grit. This is going to add some extra exfoliation, clearing away dead skin and impurities, and allow the rest of the bar to work its Christmas magic. Overall, we have a brick that looks to be a soothing one, with a small amount of grit designed to calm and relieve irritated skin. Now, the scent of this bad boy is something else entirely. It's pretty simple. We're talking peppermint mocha, that crisp freshness of mint, and the warm sweetness of cocoa. It's very nifty. If you like that type of scent, like I do, then I think you'll appreciate this brick. It's around a medium potency, maybe leaning a bit stronger, enough to add some freshness and flavor to the shower. Speaking of the shower, the bar gets even better when you use it. There is a nice light grit from the espresso grounds, which thankfully are very tiny and not overly abundant, but do provide a nice bit of added exfoliation. However, what truly elevates the bar is the menthol, which, although they don't have menthol listed as an ingredient, I guess maybe the peppermint carries, it's still one of the best menthol bricks I've used. The chilling effect that the bar has feels incredible. You can really feel it all over after the shower. It's perfect if you have irritated skin or something like that, as it is very soothing and relaxing. And I feel I should also point out that this bar is very cool looking. I love the added chunks of peppermint, which is actually just another soap added in for effect. It all just helps capture that vibe of a peppermint mocha. As for my thoughts, I really like what Frosty's cooking up. I think this is one of the best Grizzly bars I've tried, and one of my favorite Christmas bricks as well. It will be getting a high spot once we get to the rankings. I just love the look, the scent, and the feel of this bar. The light grit and the chilling peppermint make it feel amazing to use, and you can never go wrong with a peppermint mocha scent. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of Frosty's Peppermint Mocha? Are you slamming this one back with the snowman? Let me know if you get your hands on this chill brick or any other Christmas boy. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty. Yow, man!